Hey beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious spicy turkey stew. So let's get right into the video. First things first, we are going to cook our turkey. To season the turkey, I'm going to be using scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, and onions. I'm going to blend everything together, roughly blend everything together, then put it into the turkey. Next, I'm going to add my seasoning cubes, salt, thyme, and water. Just a little water, not too much water. If you've got fresh ingredients, it's better to use like fresh thyme, fresh ginger and garlic. It tastes better than using the dried ones. Now I'm going to stir it together, cover and allow to cook for 20 minutes. Next I'm going to blend my tomatoes, paprika pepper, bell pepper, scotch bonnet, garlic and ginger. I'm going to blend everything together, and remember for this stew I'm blending the tomatoes not too smooth, just roughly blended because I prefer it that way. And now I'm going to cover the tomato, allow it to steam until there is no water left in it. After 20 minutes, as you can see, my turkey is ready. I'm going to fry everything in the air fryer. Now let's fry our stew. For our stew, I'll be frying it with olive oil. I prefer to use olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Next, I'm going to be adding chopped onions, thyme, and curry. I'm going to fry everything for like 2 to 3 minutes. After frying for 3 minutes, I'm going to add the blended tomato. Have you guys subscribed to my channel? If you're watching this video, please click the subscribe button, like, and also share to your family and friends. Thank you for doing that. Now, I'm just going to stir a little bit and add the seasoning cubes, add the turkey stock we make earlier on, and allow it to fry for 20 to 30 minutes on low heat. After 20 minutes, almost dried up, and I'm going to add the air fried turkey, stirring together, cover and cook for another 20 minutes on low heat. After 20 minutes, your stew is ready. Oh my goodness, this stew tastes amazing, and it was also spicy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.